This video will help you set up your Mini 360 Plus camera using the EZVIZ app. First, plug in your Mini 360 Plus into a power outlet. Then, download the EZVIZ app on your smartphone. Connect your phone to Wi-Fi, then open the EZVIZ app. Choose New User Registration at the bottom of your screen. Register using your email address. Enter your email and create a password. Then you'll receive a verification code. Enter the verification code into the app. Choose Scan QR code. Then scan the QR code on the device. Press the Add button to connect your camera. Lastly, select your time zone and date, then choose View Camera. Now you can enjoy your EZVIZ camera.